Okay, I'm going to try and show you a really simple way of threading a wick in a Bowman burner. Okay, using very cheap steel chain link which I bought from China. So we all know the problem is you put something down here and then grabbing it and pulling it out of here can take a long time, too long. But this is simple. First thing to do is to just drop the chain through the burner tube into the body, then use a little super magnet you can just pull it through. That took seconds. Then I use a piece of cord, strong, which I tie to the wick. Okay, so the cord is just tied to the end of the chain, simple knot. Okay, and just cut it off.